Yeah. All right. Here's what's going to happen today and over the weekend and into next week.
Sense.
High temperature Sunday will be in the lower 90s. Matter of fact, I think today around 90 and right through the weekend. But, all right, now this is what I call a cold front. I think the high temperature on Monday, or at least the afternoon temperature, around 74. Earlier in the morning, maybe about 73, 74, but I think we'll be in the 60s for a good part of the day, and that's what I call a cold front. It's really kind of the first one of the season. All right, temperature today, I think we'll top out at around 90. Average high 83, so definitely above average. Record high 95. We're not going to reach that. And look at the record low. 39. If you're new to town, this time of the year, it can get cool. And it'll happen really quick, too, those northerly winds kicking in. We've got a north wind at about 5. We've got a stationary frontal boundary that's just to the south of us. We've got some clouds out there, temperature 71, and it's fairly dry. Look at the dew point. Dew point's at 39. All right, so here's what you can expect. Some clouds this morning, and then later this afternoon, I think it's going to be partly cloudy to mostly sunny with a high temperature right around 90. Here's where this stationary frontal boundary is. Generally north of the front, it's much drier. To the south, more humid. And right along the frontal boundary, temperatures in the lower 70s. We really haven't budged much lately. 71 degrees. Temperatures 50s, though. Fredericksburg, look at that, 53. Boerne, the temperature has been coming up a bit, and I think that's a function of the cloud cover. And down to the south and east, temperatures lower 70s for the most part. What I think is going to happen is this high is going to kind of swing eastward. Winds will start coming around to the south and east. Our humidity will increase later on this afternoon and into this evening. High temperature around 90, but look at these temperatures to the north, up in the northern plains and the Great Lakes, 40s and 50s. Wow, that's nice. All right, we've got this upper level low that's going to continue to move eastbound, and we'll also have a frontal boundary at the same time. I think that'll bring us a chance for some rain on Monday. I'll talk about that in a minute. Tropical Storm Carl is fizzling out, just about to lose it, I think, and just kind of drift into Mexico, and we'll see you later. Winds only at 40 miles per hour with Carl, so we won't have to worry about Carl for very much longer. High temperature, 90. We'll have some sunshine this afternoon. Don't forget the sunscreen. And then tomorrow morning, we'll see a low temperature close to around 71 or so. High temperatures, lower 90s for Saturday and also Sunday. And by the way, if you're going out to one of the area high school football games, mostly clear to partly cloudy and temperatures mainly in the 80s. So just a really nice evening, I think. All right, this is the GFS model. It says only 1/4 of an inch on Monday, but I think it'll probably be closer to 1/2 inch to an inch. Some places picking up a little bit more than that, and we need some rain. We still have extreme to exceptional drought. Almost in the 620s. We're real close. 630.1 is where we're at on the aquifer. Molds are light. Ragweed is also light. So right through the weekend, highs in the low 90s, really warm this weekend. Frontal boundary pushes through, and we spend most of the day in the 60s, I think, and with brisk northerly winds, rather breezy on Tuesday, and I think Wednesday and Thursday, low temperatures will be in the upper 40s. Now that's a cool front.